So guys, here I'm making a video on this attorney, Christopher Brainard. You can see his foul text messages against me, and I got this profile of his on LinkedIn from Google, and you can see he has mentioned he's a general counsel, real estate broker, a ship and a yacht broker from University of California, Los Angeles, and that's his LinkedIn profile. Let's go on the next page. That's his California bar license. He's still licensed, and you can check his phone number and email. Okay, I'm asking for a reason for you to do that because that's going to help you in this coming video. So here you go. So he's sending, first check his phone number, okay? And then you can also go back and check his phone number right here. It's same phone number, okay? So you go to the first, he introduces himself, okay? To the other defendants of my other cases, which is a disbarable offense. You cannot contact the other defendants to hire you, and you cannot promote your services like that. That's against the bar rules. You can get disbarred. Okay, that he tells his fee is like $1,000 to $1,500, and he also gives his website as well, www.lawbrainerd.com, and you can see the conversation. The gray one is from Christopher M Brainard. He's telling he's Asian. Okay, and then he sends the screenshots of my cases to other defendant of my case, of my other case. So he's saying he can squash my case, and I have filed a frivolous case. Okay, without even checking the case, he has come to a conclusion that I filed a frivolous case. And you can look at his language, from the first message. He's calling me like horrible and BS. See, horrible guy. And then he also used BS. That's the language he's using against me. He's also calling me criminal and BS again. Which attorney uses this kind of language? I don't know. Okay. And then he says, I can squash his case, but it cost me about $25,000 in legal time. So my plan was to seek sanctions for filing a frivolous suit, and I will make Swift Gupta pay me. Okay. So he's telling him, he's making guarantees that like that's the outcome. You cannot guarantee the outcome to a defendant of a case. That's again a crime, and that's disbarable offense. Now he's telling that he has a status conference coming up. And then he's telling me not to sue him back. He's saying he will be investing many hours that when he does not, investing many hours in what? Like putting like fake sanctions on someone and harassing them? Wow. See, what is he texting? And when asked, like, does he knows, no, when asked, like, does the judge gets the part of a sanction in the Los Angeles court, he's doing haha. Mr. Brainard is doing haha, see? He's like bragging about himself that he's so expensive, 500 an hour. Wow. So if he charges 500 an hour, how come he's charging $1,100 flat fee? You know, that's questionable. Now he's giving his email. See? So check his email with his this. That's the same email, right? This bar license. And you can check the bar license yourself as well. So, okay, let's go to his next message. He's asking my defendant to send him the complaint on his email. All other discussions which he's not supposed to do. This is against bar rules. So he's saying like, do not help me in the case. And all of this thing you can read. And then he's asking them to file a fee waiver, and his fee will be $1,100. A signed contract. So this is, see, like what kind of attorney he is. Now he says once the complaint was sent to him, he said, "Damn the SOB." He's calling me SOB again. And then he's trying to make more money by asking him that the landlord needs representation too. Again, SOB. Like, which attorney uses SOB, SOB, SOB? Like, this is a foul language, which he's using. I don't know how he got his law license. Then he sends then he's encouraging, attorneys are not supposed to encourage you to file for the fee waiver. And he's doing it again and again, again and again, again and again, and telling them if they get SSI, Medi-Cal, they can apply for the fee waiver. Now he's calling me a demon and a nightmare to deal with. And then he's saying like no other attorney will do the case for $20,000. Now he's increasing his price when his original price was $1,100. $1,100. So guys, here my video ends. So just want to let you know like what kind of attorney this person is, using a foul language against me. And this is against bar rules or any rules or ethical rules. And you can judge yourself from the messages, what kind of intellect this person has. And this is not justified, guys. Please share with as many people as possible. Thank you.